Hi, I'm Dr. Melissa calling from Newport Beach, and this is my clinic, Dr. Lifestyle Clinic. I get to live in my dream practice virtually and in person, and it's all around lifestyle medicine, nutrition, exercise, movement, stress management, and getting to the root cause. And that's how I practice. And it wasn't always like this. Before, I was stuck in traditional medicine where I felt like I was going in a revolving door and going through these roadblocks of not getting patients better, not feeling happy inside, not getting the patient outcomes. And truly, I love lifestyle medicine, integrative medicine, and all things mental health. And that's what I do at Dr. Lifestyle. And I'm excited to share how I can help you grow, build, scale, launch your direct lifestyle medicine practice. I know it may be overwhelming, confusing, and it's not meant to be easy, but it's possible, and it's really life giving, and it fills not only your cup but your family, your environment, and for a lifetime it's possible to be profitable, sustainable, and relief from burnout. And that's the goal. And get into that realm where you can build other parts of your life, feel that joy again, that calm and restoration. And most of us have been through medicine and seen it change through insurance companies, through all the administration and all the things that it's demanding of us. And sometimes it can be a short-term part of our season, but not necessarily a long-term game plan. So if that's you, if you want to find other ways and you're just curious how to build your practice, how to make it grow, thrive, and how to get that business plan all together, that's what I'm here for. I'm going to be going over my talk and also my book and course. So I'm excited to have you here. Again, I'm Dr. Melissa Mondala at Dr. Lifestyle Clinic in Newport Beach, California, with my husband, Dr. Micah Yu, who does integrative rheumatology. So we are happy, and it's really been rewarding, and we've been amazed how many people we can help and see that reversal and get to those complex patients that we want to just give our compassion, time, and care to. So you'll hear all about this on Saturday. It's at 3 p.m. So check your calendar, mark that time so you can have your questions answered, and you can get to see what it's all about and how to get the timeline, the checklist, but more so get the inspiration, because really start building your dream. It's never too early, never too late. And we're here for you. I'm here for you. And I can't wait to see you on the other side. See you soon.